A website is a collection of interconnected web pages stored on a web server. These pages can be accessed online using a web browser. The designs and purposes of websites vary. They can be educational, news-related, social, or entertaining, among many others. The design of a website plays a significant role in attracting visitors and keeping them on the site for longer periods. One of the most important design elements is the user interface, which should be user-friendly and visually appealing. Additionally, the content of the website must be valuable and beneficial to visitors. The evolution of websites relies heavily on programming languages such as HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, along with other technologies and software. The process of developing a website begins with defining the goal and purpose of the site, followed by the design phase, which includes structuring the site and determining its appearance. After that, the programming phase comes, which may involve creating a database if needed. Once programming is complete, the website is tested to ensure it is free of errors and functions efficiently across various browsers and devices. The launch phase is the final step, where the website is published online to become accessible to visitors. This is followed by the maintenance phase, where it is essential to ensure that the content is updated and any errors that may arise are fixed. The importance of developing a website lies in providing an effective way to interact with the target audience, convey information, and offer services or products in a convenient manner. A website also helps to enhance brand identity and increase visibility, reaching a broader audience.